Hello everyone. So in today's video we will see how we can do this same serial println scenario using a variable. That in other words, when we are doing a serial println, okay, so what we did is we simply passed the whole text or the whole message inside the two brackets inside the method itself. Instead of that, what if we bring this whole text, okay, the whole data to a variable, like we have brought our integer value to a variable already, right? So what if we bring this whole letters or sentence to a variable, and what if we use the variable instead of this whole sentence here? Would it work or not? Okay, we will have a look. So I was telling you, or if we are using a number, and if it is an integer number, the data type we are supposed to use is int. Okay, so since these Arduino pins are pure integer numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so we used int x is equal to 7, like that. So it can be any name, y or my pin, any name you can give. The name is your choice, right? Whatever the name you want, you can give. It's totally okay. And the value is there. So we studied about these things, how this variable declaration and initialization happens. So data type, just I am repeating it, data type, name and value, right? So now this is a number, so we know int should be coming because it is an integer number and you are giving the name. So what if we are going to, in our case, what we have to do is we have to pass a message, right? What's the message? Hi, I am Arduino. Okay, so I am Arduino. So instead of using this directly, we are supposed to assign this value to a variable. Okay, so the main question is, okay, name, we can give a name and we can give the value to the right side. Main question is, what is the data type? It is not a number, obviously, right? It is not a number, it's a value, right? It's not the value, it's a set of letters, okay, a set of characters. Okay, so this is a character, right? This is a character, this is a character, this is a character. So this is a set of characters, or it is a sentence, set of letters. So such a one, okay, one or more letters or one or more characters together, we call this as a string. What is that? String. So what a string is? The data type of one or more characters. Okay, so this data type, okay, so we know this is not a number. 7 is a number, but this is not a number. We know this is not a number, so we can't go for integers. Okay, so what we can go for is, for this kind of scenario, okay, for this kind of value, a text or a message, we have the data type called string. String is the data type. So in another word, string is none other than one or more than characters. One or more than one characters. Okay, so set of one or set of more than one characters. Okay, this is what a string is. So H is a character, I is a character, A is a character. Okay, you understood? So since this is a full message, we are writing inside two double quotes, right? So string always should be written inside two double quotes, and here. Okay, that is another rule. So sometimes some people write it with one single quote. I don't know, it may work, but normal rule is in Arduino double quote would work. Okay, so now you know the second data type, that is called string. You already know what? Int. Okay, please remember the string S should be capital block letters. Okay, so now you know string data type and how to store the value in the string. So let's try to assign this value to a string data type. So first what we have to do is we have to assign the data type. We have to tell the data type, or it's a string value. String means set of characters. Okay, and you give a name. So let's say X. I give X. Any name you can give, that's totally fine. And you have to assign the value. So what is the value? This whole string is the value. Okay, so I will copy it, paste the whole value here. So now this will go compatible with this string. Okay, string. Understood? totally fine, right? So now I will have a semicolon here. Okay. String x is equal to hi, I am Arduino. So hereafter, wherever you are using x will be replaced by this value. So in other words, what will happen? As I already said, in a memory location in the Arduino, this value will be stored. The string will be stored. This also can be stored, like we are storing an int number. This also can be stored. So maybe it can be converted and stored. That's none of our concern, but it will be stored. And the memory location will be named as x. Okay. So whenever I am using x, Arduino will come and take the integer as a string value and use it. You understood? Okay, nice. So I will type it in the code. So I will go to use this what you call variable thingy on top of void setup. So I will write string. You can see the color is being changed. So that's a keyword, string x. That means I am typing correct. So then what I will do is I will take it here. Cut it and paste it. Understood? And here, instead of the I will not cut it, paste, and I will just copy paste. Okay. All good. So here, instead of the whole text, I will pass x. Now it should be working, right, according to what we expect. So if you want, you can assign another string value also. Okay. So string y is equal to use me fellows. Yes or no? Yes. And you should have semicolon, and I will have a 1 second delay, let's say, and I will have the other one also be printed. So I will print string y after 1 second. Okay, so string x should be hi, I am Arduino. String y should be use me fellows. You understand, right? The same thing I am using variable, that's all. Just 2 variables. You can use any number of variables you want. All good? Right, that's fine. So now, okay, I will compile this and see whether it is error free or not. So done compiling successful. So it's all good. So just to show a demo, I will copy this. So I strongly believe you will use it with your real Arduino and make sure this is being printed. So just for the completion of the video, I will copy this and use it in the Tinkercad. Okay, so I will do a simulation and see what happens. I'm sorry, I should open this. Okay, this is serial monitor I have. Start simulation. So see, hi, I am Arduino, use me fellas. Both are happening in 1 second, time delays. Okay, understood. So XY thing works. So you can just change the value and see if you want, Okay, I will change the values. I am ARD, okay, and FELL, so that you can see it is coming from the variables. Okay, I will re-upload. Okay, I just changed the text values, so I'll clear it. Start simulation. Oh, something wrong, so I have an error. I just forgot about that. I have added an extra comma. Okay, so I will open the serial monitor and see. I didn't open it earlier, so already some values are printed. You see in 1 second delay, both are being printed, FELL and ARD. Understood, guys? So that's all for the moment, guys. I'll catch you up in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep supporting. Have a great day ahead, guys. Bye.